Under the direction of Dana Calais Montgomery, it is our pleasure to present to you Hoike 2021, Manahere.
Manahere,
hivi nani oe hale akala Kaula na oe oe ku kila kila Ho makawau ia ua ka ulana Ika ohi ia iho o ka lau Ho makawau ia ua ka ulana Ika ohi ia iho o ka lau He kiu e ka ua o ka aina Me ka makani ahe, ahe olu, olu He kiu e ka ua o ka aina Me ka makani ahe, ahe olu, olu Kuana ka inoa ahe lohe ia Kua iwi nani oe ale akala Kuana ka inoa ahe lohe ia Kua iwi nani oe ale akala
kapuana Aolu palakua Ea niki niki ahi ahi Kaome o pani yolo Aina mai kapuana Aolu palakua Ea niki niki ahi ahi Kaome o pani yolo
Ladies and gentlemen, our Nakua team.
Ahina mai kapuana Aolu palakua Ea niki niki ahi ahi Kahome o pani yolo Ahina mai kapuana Aolu palakua Ea niki niki ahi ahi Kahome o pani yolo Kahi manu no ai kai Kai ia makala au ke kaha Ko ia kai ua lana mali e Ulili e Ulili hoi Ulili holo holo kakai he Ko ia kai ua lana mali e Hone ana ko leo e ko lea he Pehea o ka hiki mai kai no O ia aina ulu vei vei O ia me ka ona ona Ulili he Ulili hoi Ulili holo holo ka kai he O ia kai ua lana mali kele mai ka aone I ka popo e mai o na nalu a ole no e paulilo ana I ka kupa o ka aina Tula mai a ka ua e tili e tili ka poli a he mohone e oli o malulani la e ao he anu ao he mai ene e aia haina kapu wana ailo e ia ka oe noa hano I ka you kalana o ia pua o nā paka e ka vekiu haina kapu wana ailo e ia ka oe noa hano I ka you kalana o ia pua o nā paka e ka vekiu Tula mahi a ka ua e tili e tili I ka pole a he mo'ole e oli o malulani la e a ohe anu a ohe mai ele e aia
Yes. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I told you there would be a little later in the show, we're going to talk about this guy in the back. He's trying to hide, but if you can see him over here on the steel guitar, ladies and gentlemen, Junius Kapuli Montgomery. The man, the myth, the legend, as we call him. He's 88 years young, still playing with us, and I feel it important. We do this every performance. We give respect to those who came before. Him and my late mother, Ilima Montgomery, started Lake Polynesia 1961. So that makes it our 60th anniversary of Lake Polynesia here in Southern California. So his roots go back to the island of Kauai, small town, Anahola, on the island of Kauai, where at 12 years old he took up, his uncle taught him how to play the steel guitar. And if you know anything about the steel guitar, there's not very many players of the steel guitar. And at age 14, he was out in the nightclubs on Kauai. I didn't know there were nightclubs in Kauai, but there were. And he was playing out with the older musicians because they would always ask him, come play, we need a steel guitar player. And they'd sneak him in the back door. And he'd be in the bars over there playing Hawaiian music since he was 12 years old. He moved up here in his early 20s where he met my mother. She was born and raised in the island of Oahu, a place called Kalihi on Oahu. If you never heard of Kalihi, it's kind of like the Beverly Hills. Nah, just kidding. It's the ghetto, ladies and gentlemen. That's where my mom is from. But she came up here to Southern California. They met entertaining, performing with the Hilo Hattie Show, which toured all of the Western United States. My dad playing music, my mom as a dancer. They married, and when the kids came along, my brother and sister, they decided to no more touring and to open up Lake Polynesia in 1961. And here we are 3 generations later, passed to my wife Lori and myself, and now passed to my daughter Dana Calais, 3rd generation of Lake Polynesia. So, my respect, my love, my gratefulness to this man right here, Junius Kapuli Montgomery, and my late mother, Ilima Montgomery, for providing all of this for us and for all of our students. We are very, very grateful. So, you see these lovely dancers up here? This is Ali, Tiana, and Taina. Yes. They are dressed in the old cellophane skirts because we are going to pay tribute to my dad and to my mother, who would always love, her favorite hula was the what we call the hapahaole hula. She would always tell us, Guy, you always have to have a novelty number. Hula, a novelty number, hapahaole, something. It's always a big part of a show. So Mom's looking down on us. We got our hapahaole song, Mom. And this is for my dad on the steel guitar over here. Come on, 88 years young, and look at him. He's still going on the steel guitar. That's right, we love you. Who said that? All right. So we dedicate this to both Uncle Junior over here and to Ilima. This one's called Don't Break My Heart.
Whisper my name by moonlight. Love me as light hits day. Our love was made to linger always. Come a little closer, just a little closer. Then you feel my heart beating. You are my true love, my only true love, that keeps me warm at night. Don't break my heart, don't break my heart. Your eyes moonlight, it lights the night sky as you glance at me. Your lips sweetness, love like we knew it. I'm glad that you're mine. Don't break my heart, don't break my heart. My heart is yearning, I keep tossing, turning. Your love that I adore. Backache, toothache, my only headache, but I still love you. Don't break my heart, don't break my heart. Huili mai one, me kalava hua. Don't break my heart, don't break my heart. Don't you break my heart.
All right, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. How you guys enjoying yourself tonight? You doing okay? On the leeward side of Oahu, up in the hills, about maybe about 2,000 feet above sea level, there's a place called Palihua, where the air and the breeze is cool. It's a very sacred place to Hawaiians, full of spiritual mana or strength, and a place of healing to the Hawaiian people. Now I know today we remember 20 years ago that fateful day and those who sacrificed for us. And I don't know about you, but it's as real today as it was back then. And this last couple of years, year and a half or so, has also been pretty tough on all of us. We've lost family. We've lost friends and loved ones. We've lost some of our hula sisters. And we miss them dearly. So for a time when we all need a little bit of healing, we want to share this song with you, dedicated to all of you. This one's called Palihua. Please welcome on stage, this is Dana Kale Montgomery. Well, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to take a 10-minute intermission, and we'll be right back.